No.
Alright, you ready? Here. You good?
Yep.
Okay. I got a package in the mail. So, just got back from out of town. Checked the mail just now. And I have a package. So, you guys want to see what it is? Alright.
Yeah.
You scared you? Yay! I got some peanuts.
That's not all. What is it? What is it?
Head dispensers.
This for you?
Yep. Well, no, I'll share them. I got a skeleton, a pumpkin, a bat, and a witch. I won all 4 on eBay for 99 cents.
What do they do?
You put candy in them, and you eat it.
So why can't me have one of those?
They are yours. They're mine and yours. We'll share them. But there's no candy in them. We'll have to get some candy. Cool? Yay! And then I should get a package within the next couple of days with the Haunt DVD with everybody on it. So that's exciting. Thank you, Davis Graveyard, for hosting and doing all the hard work this year on the Haunt Award DVD. So much appreciated, and I'm excited to get it to watch everybody's videos. So. And we got a Netflix movie today, and this is something I saw on there, and I know, I saw the spider. It's the History Channel, The Haunted History of Halloween. So we're going to watch that tonight, but first we have to start dinner. So we'll catch you guys later. Our cat caught a hummingbird, and I'm assuming it's injured. It's in shock, mainly, I think, maybe. I don't know. We're going to try to release it and take it out back. But it was stuck in the carpet. Its claws were like stuck in the carpet. So, alright, we're going to take it out and keep an eye on it. Maybe we should leave it in here, with this up, for a while, outside until it takes offline so Kirby can't get to it.
Yeah.
Dumb kitty. Caught a hummingbird. That's a fast cat, huh? Looks, I guess it's a baby, but they're pretty small.
Yeah.
Definitely the slowest I've ever seen one. Never seen one that slow. What about you?
No. It's really so cute.
It's gonna freeze to death if it can't move. It's so cold out here.